Hi guys, my name is Preeti. Welcome to my first vlog. I'm a 26-year-old Indian girl living in Mexico City. This is, I'm recording this introduction for my first vlog on YouTube.
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Okay, I think I'm gonna be recording the rest of my vlog from, not from home. I don't think I can. She won't stop licking my face. Yeah, so I'll be recording the rest of my vlog from a very famous street here in Polanco. It's a very upscale street. It's called the Masaryk.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर.
So this is my fit. I'm wearing a very cute top. I think it's from Berkshire. And black pants from Zara.
A few moments later.
So I actually forgot to introduce you guys. This is Toto. She's not my cat. I would love for her to be my cat, but she's not my cat. I'm fostering her. And I think she's gonna get adopted soon. So yeah, there's...
I don't think anybody would believe this story.
Okay, I'm on my way to Masaryk. This is my neighborhood. This is where I live. And there's no truck. So that's Palacio. It's on the way to Masaryk. Yeah, that's Tani. That's what I told you about. So we're almost here and we just spotted a cyber truck. Damn. Okay, so we're just walking to the main street now. Spotted another Subaru. Tesla. Animal. That's a tourist bus.
Tesla Model 3 if you want to be precise.
Tesla Model 3.
अरे बेटे, तुझे थकान नहीं लग रही क्या?
And this is a Tesla showroom. And there's a Cybertruck. A Lamborghini. And that's where I'm headed. I'm here, but I'm waiting for people to be done so that I can shoot there. It's very popular.
क्या?
This is my most favorite wall.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
It looks very pretty. And they have these little cactuses. And I have my... Yeah, pretty much that's it. Super cute. I think I drove all this way just to get shots of this thing. And it's also super crowded.
Alrighty then.
Okay, I'm driving back and I'm going to go meet a friend at Somaya.
ट्रेन का भी लॉज का भी आके जरा दिल को तू दे दे जाना ट्रेन का भी
That boy is good.
I'm going to the bars now and I'm not gonna change because I'm meeting my friend at the bars and from there we're gonna go walk to Somaya. So yeah. So those are the bars near my building. I'm just gonna go there work out for maybe 10 minutes until she comes. I'm just gonna wait for her. I'm done with the workout. There's no way. Okay, I'm just hanging out with my friend at Sumaya. And she got her babies. The first one is here. There's the baby. She turned away. And that's her. And there's the puppy. Say hi, baby. Oh. I saw them. Look here. That's her. I don't get cancelled for this.
Asado.
Asado, come here. Come here, Asado. Looks super cool, but come back. My brother is here.
He's a pet.
He's so innocent.
Asado.
Asado. Asado. No, she's going in. She's gonna get kicked out by the security now. She keep feeling cold. He's not moving. And she just got up.
Okay.
Are you guys taking it home?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Dying.
Oh.
Se come todo, ¿no? Los plásticos y todo eso.
Hay que tener mucho cuidado, ¿no?
Hoy me acabo de romper una pizza.
So we're walking back home. And she has the cutest walk. Fuck, she ran away. She's like, what the fuck is this? Yeah. She's like, what the fuck is that?
What? But you can't do this to me.
Damn, he devoured the banana.
What is she eating? Oh, she missed. Oh.
1 hour later.
Okay, I think I'm gonna end my vlog here. So done with my day. I'm just gonna watch some Invincible and go to bed. Okay, bye.
Need a plan, girl.